What is going on YouTube? Jeff from J&K of All Trades here, bringing you another video. I know it's been a long time, but I'm ready to get back on that horse and bring you some new content. We're going to be starting a new playlist called You Can, where we're going to be teaching you some skills and trades that maybe you didn't have a father figure in your life, or you didn't have a mother figure in your life to teach you some of these things, or you're just embarrassed to ask how to do something. We're going to teach you how to do those things. So stick with us and you might learn something. It's summertime now, and when I think of summer, I think of fishing. Maybe you've never gone fishing before. Maybe you've never tied a fishing knot. I'm going to teach you today one of my go-to fishing knots. So my go-to fishing knot is the clinch knot. I use it to tie my swivel onto my main line, my leader onto my swivel, and my hook onto my leader. I use it for everything. And this is how it goes. So you have your main line and you have your hook. Main line goes through the eye of the hook, make a loop, and you're going to wrap your leader 7 or 8 times around the main line. When you're done with that, you're going to take that main line, or you're actually not main line, the end, go back through that first loop, back through that second loop, and out. And then you pull it tight. And that's the clinch knot. Now let's do an actual demonstration. So for demonstration purposes, this big magnet with this eye hook is going to be my fishing hook. And I have yarn that's going to be my fishing line. So just like in the picture, we're going to take our fishing line and we're going to go through the eye of the fishing hook. And I like to give myself a little bit of extra room to work with. Now, I like to pinch by the eye and I wrap my fishing line 7 times around the main line. Once you have your 7 wraps, it's going to look like that. Now you're going to take the short end, go through that first loop, like so. Then you're going to take this end and go through the biggest loop. Once you do that, you can pull tight and pull this main line down. Now you can cut this part off. And now you have a perfect clinch knot that's not coming undone. We're going to do it one more time. Take your fishing line, go through the eye of the hook, give yourself some extra room, wrap the small end around the big end 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take that small end and go through the original loop, like so. Now go back through the big loop that you just made and pull tight. Now you can cut off the excess. And you have a clinch knot that's not going anywhere. And that's how to tie my favorite knot. I use that for everything. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more how-to videos in the future, think about subscribing. I want to make a whole playlist of just how-to videos, simple how-to videos, short how-to videos. That's all for today's video. I hope to see you next time. Until then, I'm out.